So let's start. Good morning, student. Hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to learn chapter 5, disease and prevention. So student, open page number 51 of your science book. Lesson number 5, disease and prevention. So आज का जो टॉपिक है उसमें डिजीज एंड प्रिवेंशन, जो बीमारियां होती हैं और उनकी कैसे रोकथाम की जा सकती है, उनसे बचाव कैसे किया जा सकता है, इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो द चैप्टर इज डिजीज एंड प्रिवेंशन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओपन पेज नंबर 52. To remain healthy and strong, one must eat healthy and nutritious food. Healthy and nutritious food. Healthy food means the food by which our body becomes strong. So we remains healthy and strong. So to become healthy and strong, we must eat nutritious food. Nutritious food means the food which contain all the nutrients, all the main component. What are the nutrients? The component of food. And what are those components? These components are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the nutrients. So the food which we are eating, that must have these nutrients. So these nutrients are the essential substances. Essential substances, the necessary substances. And what are these substances? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, and minerals. So student, as we all are eating chapati, rice, so our rice and chapati means our wheat is having carbohydrate. Milk we are drinking, we are eating ghee and butter, that is having fats. When we are eating soybean, paneer means cheese, eggs, that is having protein. And all the fruits and green leafy vegetables are having vitamins and minerals. So these are the essential substances for our body. So to remain healthy and strong, one must eat healthy and nutritious food. The food we eat contain special substances like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, and minerals. They are called nutrients. They are called nutrients. So student, underline this. This is the important term. What is nutrient? The food we eat contain special substances like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. They are called nutrients. They are called nutrients. So the first question is, what are nutrients? The special substances in the food that we are eating are called nutrients. What are the example of nutrients? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, and minerals. These are nutrients. So first of all, you have to learn about nutrient. What are nutrients? So now you are able to give the answer. What are nutrients? So nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Different food have a different means variety of nutrients. Therefore, we should eat various food items so that our body gets all type of nutrients. Deficiency of nutrients can cause disease which are harmful to us and can cause temporary or permanent damage to our health. Deficiency means lack of, means shortage of anything. Deficiency means किसी चीज की कमी को हम क्या कहते हैं? डेफिशिएंसी. लैक और शॉर्टेज ऑफ एनीथिंग. Shortage of anything, lack of anything is known as deficiency. So means lack of nutrients, deficiency of nutrient can cause disease. If we are not eating a proper food which are containing all the nutrients, so there will be a deficiency of nutrients in our body, and that there will be some disease in our body, so which are harmful to us and can cause temporary or permanent damage to our health. Disease. What is disease? Disease is an abnormal condition of one or more body part that does not allow the body to function properly. So this is the definition of disease. Disease is an abnormal condition. But what is a normal condition? In normal condition, all our body parts are working properly, function properly. But if any of our body part is not working properly, means there is an abnormal condition. That abnormal condition is known as disease. So disease is an abnormal condition of one or more body parts that does not allow the body to function properly. Disease can occur due to many reasons. There can be many reasons. Some disease may occur due to microbes. Microbes means microorganisms, a very tiny organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye are known as microbes, while some may be caused due to unhealthy lifestyle, deficiency of nutrients. Unhealthy lifestyle, deficiency of nutrients. Some disease may occur due to microbes, while some may be caused due to unhealthy lifestyle, deficiency of nutrients. Deficiency of nutrients means shortage of nutrients. Disease are of two types, non-communicable and communicable. So the next question is type of disease. So disease are of two types, non-communicable disease and communicable disease. Non-communicable disease and communicable disease. So what are non-communicable? So first we will discuss about non-communicable disease. After that we will discuss about communicable disease. So in simple words, you can remember the disease which cannot spread from one person to another person is known as non-communicable disease. The disease which can be spread from one person to the another person is known as communicable disease. So non-communicable cannot be spread from one person to the another person. Communicable disease, it can be spread from one person to the another person. So two types of disease are there, non-communicable and communicable disease. So let's discuss about non-communicable disease. So student, what are non-communicable disease? These are the disease that are not passed on from one person to another, that cannot spread from one person to another, that cannot passed on from one person to another. These are the disease that are not passed on from one person to another. Some non-communicable disease may be present since birth. Some non-communicable disease may be present since birth. However, most of the non-communicable disease are due to unhealthy lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle means not eating proper food, not taking proper nutrients, not doing proper exercise. So these are some of the unhealthy lifestyle. For example, excess intake of fatty food and lack of exercise can cause obesity, which may lead to serious disease such as diabetes and heart disease. So these are some examples. Means excess intake of fatty food. Some of the person are eating food which are having fats. They are eating pizza, burger. These are unhealthy foods. Drinking cold drinks, and many eating more and more chocolates. These are some of the unhealthy foods. So excess of these food may cause obesity. Obesity means motapa. Obesity, motapa. You can underline obesity. Obesity means motapa. which may lead to serious disease such as diabetes and heart disease. If a person is obese, it is having obesity. Due to obesity, the person may suffer from diabetes and many heart disease. So bad habits such as smoking can cause deadly disease like cancer. Some of the non-communicable disease are caused due to deficiency of a particular vitamins or minerals. Vitamins or minerals. These are called deficiency disease. So deficiency disease is a part of non-communicable disease. So what is the deficiency? Deficiency means lack of anything, shortage of anything. Shortage of anything or lack of anything is known as deficiency. If there is a deficiency of a nutrients, there can be some disease. If there is a shortage of vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, so due to the deficiency, there can be a disease, and that disease is known as deficiency disease. Let us learn about some deficiency disease. Night blindness. Night blindness. Night blindness means the person suffering from night blindness cannot see in dim light or at the night time. In dim light, the person cannot see. At night time, the person cannot see, which is suffering from night blindness. So that disease is known as night blindness. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. If there is a shortage of vitamin A in our body, we cannot see in dim light or at night time. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. If a person suffers from night blindness, he is unable to see clearly in dim light. In dim light, the person suffering from deficiency disease cannot see clearly. Cannot see clearly. That condition of the person is known as night blindness. That is known as night blindness. The person cannot see clearly in dim light. In dim light. If we are having healthy eyes, we can see little bit in a dim light. But the person suffering from deficiency of vitamin A cannot see in dim light, and that condition is known as night blindness. To prevent this disease, we should eat food like green leafy vegetable, papaya, mango, carrot, milk, fish, egg yolk, butter, tomato. So these are some of the healthy food which are having vitamin A, So to prevent this disease, we should eat food like green leafy vegetable, papaya, mango, carrot, milk, fish, egg yolk, butter, and tomato. These are the sources of vitamin A. So you can see a diagram, page number 53, sources of vitamin A, sources of vitamin A, sources of vitamin A. So you can see green leafy vegetable, papaya, mango, carrot, fish, egg yolk. So these butter, tomato, these are the sources of vitamin A. So we get vitamin A from these sources. So do you know non-communicable disease account for 63% of all deaths? So all the deaths in the world are due to non-communicable disease. The second disease is beriberi. Second disease is beriberi. This disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. So beriberi is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. If vitamin B1 is not in a proper amount inside our body, then there will be a condition known as beriberi. It affects the nervous system. We have already discussed about nervous system. Nervous system, it control our brain, it control our spinal cord. So these are the part of nervous system. So if there is a deficiency of vitamin B, it affects the nervous system, causes heart disease, loss of weight, appetite. So appetite is desire of food. What is appetite? Desire of food. भूख की इच्छा होना, भूख लगना. अगर विटामिन B1 की डेफिशिएंसी है, सो प्रॉपर अमाउंट में भूख नहीं लगेगी, एपेटाइट नहीं होगा, डिजायर ऑफ फूड नहीं होगा. To prevent this disease, we should eat food such as unpolished rice, pea, meat, cereals, milk, and green vegetables, which are rich sources of vitamin B1. So these are the sources of vitamin B1. So green leafy vegetable are the sources of vitamin A, and it is also a source of vitamin B. So to prevent this disease, to prevent the disease like beriberi, we should eat food such as unpolished rice, pea, meat, cereals, milk, and green leafy vegetable, which are rich source of vitamin B1, which are the rich source of vitamin B1. So student, look at the diagram, sources of vitamin B. So in this diagram, we are having rice, pea, meat, so many cereals are there. Cereals are the starchy grain of grass used as food. Milk is there, green leafy vegetables. So these are rich source of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. So student, we have discussed about two disease. First is night blindness. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. If the person is suffering from night blindness, he is unable to see clearly in dim light. The second disease is beriberi. Beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. It affects our nervous system, our thinking ability, our controlled ability, that will be affected by beriberi. There is a loss of weight, there may be heart disease, there may be appetite. The next disease is scurvy. 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 The sound is scurvy. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. The symptoms of this disease are bleeding of gums and swelling of joints. Symptoms of this disease are bleeding of gums. जो हमारे दांतों के जो मसूड़े हैं उनके अंदर खून आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, दैट इज ब्लीडिंग ऑफ गम्स. स्वेलिंग ऑफ जॉइंट्स, जहां पे जॉइंट्स है वहां पे स्वेलिंग हो जाती है. So this disease is known as scurvy. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. So symptoms of this disease are bleeding of gums, swelling of joints. So how can we prevent scurvy? To prevent this disease, we should eat food item rich in vitamin C. We should eat food item rich in vitamin C. For example, citrus fruit, gooseberry, tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, sprouted grain, and pulses. These are some rich source of vitamin C. So all the citrus fruit means khatte fruit, they are having scurvy like lemon, unripened mango, tomato. These are some citrus fruit. They are having vitamin C. So scurvy is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. How can we prevent this disease? We should eat food items rich in vitamin C. For example, citrus fruit, gooseberry, tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, sprouted grain, and pulses. These are some examples of the food item which are having vitamin C. Next non-communicable disease is rickets. Student, rickets. Rickets. It is also a non-communicable disease. That disease will not also passed from one person to another person. Rickets. This disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D. This disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. The bones of a person suffering from this disease become soft and can break easily. The bones of the person suffering from this disease become soft and can break easily. This disease can be cured by taking food which is rich in vitamin D. So ricket is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. The bone of the person suffering from rickets become very soft and can break easily. So how we can prevent this disease? By eating food rich in vitamin D. For example, milk, cheese, fish, egg, etc. Sunlight help in the formation of vitamin D. If we are spending our proper time in sunlight, so from the sunlight we will get vitamin D. And vitamin D, with the help of vitamin D, our bone becomes strong. Our bone will become strong. So for the healthy bone, for the strong bone, we must have vitamin D, and we can get vitamin D from sunlight. So student, you should spend some of your time in sunlight. Early in the morning, you should spend at least half an hour in sunlight. Whether it is winter, whether it is rainy season, whether it is summer season, spend at least half an hour early in the morning in sunlight. Okay, because the rising sun, when the sun is rising early in the morning, it is having a rich source of vitamin D. We can get rich vitamin D, and vitamin D will make our bone healthy and strong. We will not suffer from a disease like rickets, because rickets is caused by lack of vitamin D, shortage of vitamin D. So this disease can be cured by taking food rich in vitamin D, for example, milk, cheese, fish, egg, etc. So sunlight help in formation of vitamin D, formation of vitamin D. So student, you can see the diagram, sources of vitamin D. You can see the picture, sources of vitamin D. So these are some sources of food which are having vitamin D. So do you know vitamin D, calcium and phosphorus make our bones and teeth hard and strong. So to make our body and teeth, our bones and teeth strong and hard, we should take proper amount of vitamin D, calcium and phosphorus. Milk and milk product are rich source of calcium. Milk and milk product. Milk is a complete food. So student, you are in the growing age, so you must drink more and more milk. Many of the students are not having the habit to drink milk. They avoid it. But do not avoid drinking milk. Drink more and more milk, at least 2 or 3 glasses per day. You can drink more than this, but this is the minimum requirement. 2 or 3 glasses per day. Drink more and more milk. Milk is a complete source of all vitamin and minerals. It is having fat, it is having protein, it is having vitamin D. Many minerals and many vitamins are present in milk. It is also having fat, it is also having protein. So milk and milk product are having vitamin D. Drink more and more milk, eat more and more milk product like curd, yogurt, cheese. Okay, these are some milk products. Ghee, butter. These are some milk products. So you should eat more and more milk products, and you should drink more and more milk. So student, I'm going to revise the today's topic, what we have learned today. We have learned about nutrients. What are nutrients? So what are nutrients? The special substance like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and minerals are called nutrients. These are called nutrients. So different food have a variety of nutrients. Next, deficiency of nutrients can cause disease which are harmful to us. Deficiency means lack of anything, shortage of anything. What is disease? The next question is, what is disease? Disease is an abnormal condition of one or more body part that does not allow the body to function properly. If our body part are not working properly, means we are suffering from some type of disease. Then what are the type of disease? Disease are of two types, non-communicable and communicable. Non-communicable disease are that disease which cannot pass from one person to another person. Communicable disease can pass from one person to another person. So what are deficiency disease? Some of the non-communicable disease that are caused due to deficiency of a particular vitamins or minerals. Due to lack of particular vitamins or minerals are called deficiency disease. Night blindness, it is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. The disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin A is called night blindness. The person which is suffering from this disease is unable to see clearly in dim light. He or she cannot see clearly in dim light. So to prevent this disease, we should eat food like green leafy vegetable, papaya, mango, carrot, fish, egg, butter, tomato. Next disease is beriberi. 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 This disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1. It affects the nervous system. It affects our thinking ability. It affects our mental ability, our control system, totally affected by this disease. So to prevent this disease, we should eat food such as unpolished rice, pea, meat, cereals, milk, green vegetables. Next deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy. Scurvy is also a non-communicable disease. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C. So to prevent this disease, we should eat food items which are rich in vitamin C. For example, citrus fruit, gooseberry, tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, sprouted grains, and pulses. These are rich source of vitamin C. Then we have discussed about rickets. This is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. So to prevent this disease, we should eat food items which are rich source of vitamin D, like milk, cheese, fish, egg. Sunlight is also a big source of vitamin D. So student, you have to read page number 52, 53, and 54 and learn these important terms. Okay. Now it is the output session. If you are having any doubt, you may ask your question one by one. Akash sir, allow the student. so that they can ask their question.